So you are looking to move to Las Vegas, or you're already here in Las Vegas and you're looking to maybe downsize. Let's take you into this really incredible deal that these guys have right on with this particular one that I really don't think is going to last. This is not just a ploy. I really don't think this is going to last. This one is coming in at 1.3 million. On this particular property, this one is a little bit of a fallout in regards to the financing that happened on this home. We're just going to take you straight in first. On this particular one, the biggest thing I want you guys to know on this is that the price on this home has gone up. The price that they're selling this property for, they're keeping it $40,000 less than what you would get on the market right now. So fantastic thing that's happening here, which is one of my favorite details of this property besides the beautiful kitchen, is going to be these sliders. This is a wonderful upgrade. Now, on this particular one, these beautiful corner sliders that you're seeing here, they come with this particular property because this is a standing inventory home. Now, when you go and purchase this home as a dirt to finish, it is going to be an additional $40,000 because of those sliders. So really a wonderful bonus that you can consider at this particular time. And as soon as we come in, we have these, again, beautiful interior 8-foot doors that I always love. We have a shared dual floating vanity. Always enjoy the tile going up. And we have our 2 rooms towards the front. We do have some storage here between the 2 rooms. Now again, this is a ready-to-go property. If you have interest as far as, again, when you're moving from California, moving from Seattle, moving from outside of Las Vegas, or again, like I said, being someone that's already here in the Summerlin area in Vegas, wherever you may be, you're downsizing. This property is going to be one ready to go and can get closed as quickly as 15 days, 7 days if we're doing cash, but 30, 45 days, of course, if we're doing our financing. To get some of the incentives that are locked into this beautiful property, you will, of course, have to use their lender. Sure, they can come in and do some negotiation with this, but at the same time, this is a ready-to-go property. And as you can see, you have that sort of tandem scenario, tankless water. I'll take you inside now and get you towards the great room in the front. That's towards the front door again. You have your den, you have your French doors already done. So a few upgrades are already done on this particular model. Powder room, a little more linen storage. Now into your powder and your great room. I'll give you guys a little bit of input in regards to those beautiful corner sliders. You bring in your own beautiful refrigerator. You have all the way to the ceilings with your cabinetry. Microwave and pantry. Love the backsplash. Always love pot filler there. Fun farm sink. Dining area. Love the corner sliders. And look at the height of these beautiful ceilings here. And as you can see, just so much light pouring into this particular property. just a great use of space with how they're doing this property. Fantastic property for those that are coming from like that 3,000 or 4,000 or whatever it may be size property to come into this that's just below 24. And I think, again, like I said, they've just done it extremely well. Love the floating cabinetry, dual sinks, reasonable and manageable shower here, but still large, 2-header. And this is a really nice large closet. We'll get you outside really quickly. And any questions on this particular property, again, this is a standing one. It may go fast, yet at the same time, they're bringing this one in. All the information as far as price, we'll put towards the bottom or put on the screen a little bit later for you. But again, make sure you reach out to us so that you can have your representation as far as purchasing this property and or any of their other models if for some reason this particular one does not work. But again, because of these beautiful things, let's have a quick talk. Yeah, $40,000 because those beautiful sliders that you do not have to pay because they're already in the home. Really sizable yard. I know a lot of people come in from East Coast, not so much from California unless you had acres there. Sometimes it's shock of the size of our yard, but I think this is a very manageable yard. Beautiful mountain views. And of course, this gate, you can put some soft hedging or something here just to give you a little bit more of that privacy. Great thing about this will not be any kind of trails or anything right here. Probably just after that, they'll probably have a trail down there, but a lot of privacy on this one. Any questions? Give us a call and we will see you in our next video.